Stuck on the side of the road with a dead battery and no help in sight? Not exactly the adventure you had in mind, huh? Well, today we are talking about the top 5 best car jump starters that will turn those road ride nightmares into just another story to laugh about. These handy gadgets are the heroes you never knew your car needed. Ready to bring your battery back to life in seconds? To make it easier for you to make the perfect pick, we have labeled each car jump starter based on its unique strength. Don't forget to check out the links in the description box for more details on these lifesavers, and maybe even snag one for your glove box. Now let Ben take it from here to walk us through the best car jump starters you can get your hands on. Ben, take it away.
Thanks, Tom. Number 5, NOCO Boost Plus GB40. If you're someone who values safety and reliability when you're out on the road, the NOCO Boost Plus is definitely worth a look. I've had the chance to use it a few times, and it's impressive how much thought went into making this a super safe option, especially for those of us who aren't car experts. One of the standout features of the NOCO Boost Plus is its safety system. It has built-in spark-proof technology, which means you can hook it up without worrying about making mistakes or causing sparks. The reverse polarity protection is also a game changer because it prevents damage in case you accidentally attach the clamps to the wrong battery terminals. These features make it one of the safest jump starters you can get, especially if you're someone who's nervous about using these kinds of devices. Performance-wise, the NOCO Boost Plus delivers 1,000 amperes, which is powerful enough to jumpstart vehicles up to 6-liter gasoline engines and 3-liter diesel engines. It's perfect for most cars, motorcycles, and even some larger SUVs or trucks. Plus, it's compact and lightweight, so you can easily throw it in your car without it taking up too much space. Another great feature is its multifunctionality. The NOCO Boost Plus also doubles as a power bank and a flashlight, which is always handy. The flashlight is surprisingly bright, and it even has an emergency strobe and SOS mode. One possible downside is that some users have reported that it doesn't hold a charge as long as they'd like after several uses. Also, the cables could be a bit longer for added convenience, especially when dealing with bigger vehicles. And so the NOCO Boost Plus deserves its title as the best car jump starter for safety features. Number 4, DBPOWER 800A. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, reliable car jump starter, the DBPOWER 800A is one that stands out for its value. I've used a few similar devices, but this one offers solid performance without breaking the bank, which is why I had to include it. Right out of the box, the DBPOWER feels solid and well built. It has a peak current of 800 amperes, which is powerful enough to jumpstart vehicles up to 7.2-liter gasoline or 5.5-liter diesel engines. That means it's suitable for most cars, SUVs, trucks, and even boats. It's a bit surprising that a product at this price point can pack such a punch. What I like most about it is how compact it is. You can easily store it in your glove compartment or trunk, and it's always ready when you need it. Another feature that makes the DBPOWER stand out is its 18,000 milliamp hour battery capacity. You can use it not only to jumpstart your vehicle, but also to charge your phone or other electronic devices on the go. It comes with a smart charging port and includes adapters for various devices, making it more versatile than just a basic jump starter. There's also a bright LED flashlight with modes for emergencies, which can be handy if you're stuck on the side of the road at night. One minor drawback is that some users mention the clamps are a bit on the smaller side, which can be tricky for larger battery terminals. Also, while it handles most personal vehicles, it may not be the best fit for heavy-duty trucks or vehicles with larger engines. And so, the DBPOWER deserves its spot as the most affordable car jump starter. Number 3, HULKMAN Alpha 85. If you've got a larger vehicle or something that demands more power, the HULKMAN Alpha 85 is a beast of a jump starter that's designed to handle those tougher jobs. I've been really impressed with how much this unit can do, and it's definitely one I'd recommend if you want something that packs a serious punch. Right off the bat, the standout feature of the HULKMAN is its power. With 2,000 amperes of peak current, it can jumpstart vehicles with up to 8.5-liter gasoline or 6-liter diesel engines. Whether you drive a car, truck, boat, or even an RV, this thing has the power to get you back on the road in no time. And what's great is that it can do this up to 60 times on a single charge, which is pretty impressive for a jump starter of this size. The 65-watt speed charge feature is another aspect that really caught my attention. It charges from 0 to 100% in just about 1.5 hours. If you're someone who forgets to charge these types of devices, you'll appreciate how quickly you can get this ready to go. Plus, the large display is super clear, giving you all the info you need at a glance. Now, as for the downsides, I've seen some people mention that the size of the unit might be a bit bulky for compact storage. It's not the smallest jump starter out there, but for the amount of power it offers, that's a small trade-off in my opinion. Another thing is that the clamps are a bit stiff, so they might require some extra effort, especially when attaching them in tighter spaces. Overall, if you need a heavy-duty jump starter that doesn't mess around, the HULKMAN Alpha 85 is a fantastic choice. And so the HULKMAN deserves its spot as the best car jump starter for heavy-duty use. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Number 2, STANLEY J5C09, Best Multifunctionality. If you're looking for more than just a jump starter, the STANLEY J5C09 offers a lot of versatility that makes it a solid choice. Not only does it give you the power to jumpstart your vehicle, but it also comes with a built-in air compressor, which adds a ton of value for anyone who wants a 2-in-1 solution for emergencies. Starting with the jump-starting capabilities, the STANLEY has 1,000 peak amperes and 500 instant amperes, which is enough to get most vehicles, from cars to trucks, back on the road. It's a bit on the heavier side compared to other portable units, but that's because it's packing in extra features that you won't find in most compact jump starters. Plus, the reverse polarity alarm is a great safety addition. If you happen to connect the cables to the wrong terminals, the device will alert you immediately, preventing any accidents or damage. One of the standout features, and why I labeled it Best Multifunctionality, is the 120 PSI air compressor. Whether you have a flat tire or just need to top up some air, this feature is incredibly handy. I found that having an air compressor built into your jump starter can save you from being stranded on the side of the road, waiting for roadside assistance. A few things worth noting. Some users mention that the air compressor can be a bit slow when inflating larger tires. It's not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind if you're using it for bigger vehicles. Also, it doesn't come with a USB charging port, which would have been a nice addition considering the other features. Overall, if you want something that does more than just jumpstart your car, the STANLEY is a great all-in-one option to keep in your trunk. It's particularly useful for those who prefer to be self-reliant in various roadside situations. This makes the STANLEY J5C09 proudly claim the title of Best Car Jump Starter for Multifunctionality. Number 1. GOOLOO GT3000 Best Overall. The GOOLOO GT3000 is easily one of the most powerful and versatile car jump starters I've come across. And after using it a few times, it's clear why this product deserves to be at the top. If you're looking for something that combines serious power, smart features, and reliability, this is the jump starter you want in your trunk. First off, the GOOLOO delivers a massive 3,000 amperes of peak current, which is enough to jumpstart vehicles with engines as large as 9.0-liter gasoline and 7.0-liter diesel. Whether you drive a regular car, a large truck, or even an RV, this jump starter will handle it. What's impressive is how fast it works. Most vehicles get back up and running within seconds, which is great for those high-pressure situations where time is of the essence. Another feature that stands out is the 26,800 mAh battery capacity. Not only does it have the power to jumpstart vehicles, but you can also use it as a power bank to charge your electronic devices. It comes with dual USB ports and even supports fast charging. So if your phone or tablet is running low, the GOOLOO has you covered. One thing I really appreciate is the intelligent safety features. It's equipped with advanced protection like overcurrent, overload, and overvoltage protection, making it one of the safest options to use, even if you're not particularly tech-savvy. The large LED display is super helpful too, giving you all the information you need at a glance. On the downside, a few users have mentioned that while it's incredibly powerful, it's a bit bulkier compared to some other models. So if you're really pressed for space, that could be something to consider. Additionally, the clamps could be more flexible, as they can feel a bit stiff when attaching them in tight spots. Overall, the GOOLOO GT3000 is my top pick because it brings together performance, power, and safety in one solid package. It's perfect for anyone who wants a reliable, all-in-one solution for jump-starting and charging needs. As you may have guessed already, this means that the GOOLOO is our choice for the best overall car jump starter. So, which of these car jump starters do you like the most? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like it's easier than deciding which car jump starter to buy. Subscribe and ring that bell. Until next time.